Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to make soft skin tone in Capcut. First, open Capcut and create a project. Then import a video. And drag it to the timeline. Then select the video and go to the Enhance tab from the right side. And click on Face. And do some adjustments. Here you can select Makeup option 2 for more smoothness. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel. And click the bell icon for more updates.